Banana pudding pie is one of my favorites. And to make it, you'll need 2 boxes of 3 1/4 ounce each of banana pudding mix. I used banana cream, but you can also use vanilla or plain banana pudding mix. You'll need 2 bananas and about a 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks or crushed pineapple, and 3 to 4 cups of vanilla wafers, 4 cups of milk, and Cool Whip. Put the pineapple in a strainer over a bowl until the juice is completely drained out. And while that's draining, put about 2 cups of wafers in a large Ziploc baggie and use a rolling pin or a glass or whatever you have on hand to crush that with. Then pour the crushed wafers in a large, lightly buttered pie plate. Add 3 tablespoons of softened butter and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix together with your fingers and spread evenly over the bottom of the pie plate. Set that aside for just a minute. And just go ahead and whisk together the 2 boxes of pudding mix with the 4 cups of milk. Go ahead and layer the thinly sliced banana and the pineapple over the wafer's crust. Then top with 1/2 of the pudding mix. Over that, add a few more wafers and the rest of the pudding. Top that with the remaining wafers and add the whipped topping. And you're all done. It's delicious, and I hope you enjoy.